Centuries ago in Japan, Nylok monsters invaded our world, but samurai warriors defeated them with power symbols passed down from parent to child. Today, the evil Nylok have risen once again and plan to flood the earth. Luckily, a new generation of heroes stand in their way. They are the Power Rangers Samurai.
Yeah. My truck is gone. That was my favorite toy. Ooh, look at the goo. Gross.
Behold. Say, this is our new and improved friend, the Clawzord.
Where did you get this?
The Clawzord was battle damaged years ago, so I hid it away.
Ventor asked me to perform a bit of my tech whiz magic.
I wanted to see if he could actually do it.
It's pretty simple. If I text over some samurai power symbols to reprogram him,
Clawzord will be back in business.
Wow. So you've been using electronic symbols?
Welcome to the 21st century.
Impressive. But this is the work of a computer nerd, not a samurai.
Huh?
Look, I know I wasn't born into the samurai life like you guys, but I'm trying to help in my own way.
Kevin, we've already accepted Antonio into our team, remember?
I said I'd give him a chance. But being a true samurai involves much more than pressing some buttons.
yes, being a true samurai is what's in your heart.
It's up to you to change his mind, Antonio.
Sweet moves. Hey, Antonio, how are you doing?
So Kevin was too busy to come along. I guess he only hangs with real samurai.
He's just trying to hold on to the traditions that he grew up with.
So he can't accept me because I don't do things old school. I mean, I proved myself in battle.
Plus, you found a way to fix the Clawzord. I think Kevin just wants you to be more serious about things.
Eat, drink, sleep being a samurai? It's the only way to impress him.
Samurai forever! Jaden!
Mia!
Mike! Kevin!
Emily!
Antonio! Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Rangers together! Samurai forever! Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, go, Power Rangers! Rangers together! Samurai forever!
Octoroo! Pipe down, you annoying furballs! Where's that old geezer, Octoroo?
He's away working on some big scheme.
Big scheme? What big scheme?
He wouldn't tell me, but he said if it works, we'll finally be able to escape the Sanzu River for good.
Huh, good. If that squid brain can really pull that off, then putting up with that lame blabbermouth all these years will have been worth it. Ha!
I guess. If you say so.
Ooh, so much to do. Steal kids' favorite toys and then chop, chop, chop. This perfect spell will refill this well with Sanzu River water. Kitty's eyes will be crying and Nylok will have a place to get wet when they're drying.
Trail of Tears Express coming through!
These little cameras will let me see everything Kevin does. gonna learn to eat, drink, sleep being a samurai, Kevin style.
Oh, Decker, I knew Master Xandra didn't destroy you. Fate has been so cruel to you. Perhaps if he had defeated you, your curse would have been lifted. You'd finally be at peace. But that would be too easy. I wish I knew why you saved me.
5-disc Beetle Cannon, final strike!
Could it be that maybe you do remember me?
The art of the samurai life.
Boy, this bear's their favorite toy. Clumsy fool! Your fingers up my nose.
Then why is your hand on my face, Uncle Bulk?
Good morning, Spike.
Good morning, Uncle Bulk. Good morning, Sammy.
Sammy! Whoa! Our mascot is missing! Yeah, he's on the shelf where he always... Stop it! He's been kidnapped!
Training and more training. Everything precisely timed.
Did you hear that, Antonio?
Yeah, I did. Wait. You knew I was watching you.
Since last night. Come on. We've got to check out this weird laughter. So why the spy cams?
How did you? I just wanted to see what a true samurai does.
You don't get it. This isn't a spy movie. It's the real deal. You're always just messing around.
I'm not messing around. I'm serious and I'm trying to learn, dude. Kevin, wait.
27, 28, 29, 30. We've got enough.
Trashing toys will definitely cause some sorrow.
It's brilliant. By tossing exactly 30 beloved toys in the well, the sorrow it causes will make the river rise and fill the well once again. You must chop up the toys with this. It's made from Sanzu riverbed rock. Before it dried up, the well was the Nilok's main portal.
Ooh, 30 whacks with the axe. So whenever we try...
They're making kids cry by stealing their toys. We have to stop the evil river from rising and filling that well. I'm calling Jade. It's not connecting. Signals are blocked.
Come out, wherever you are!
Go, Samurai! Samurai Morpher! Go power!
I'm sorta impressed. You found this place even with my secret barriers up.
Barriers? That's what jammed our signals.
Who are you? You're not just any Nylock.
Ooh, I'm Octoroo, the brains behind Master Xandred, and the one who'll finally destroy you. Ready, Aunt Berry?
Time to enjoy my new toy!
Oh, no you don't!
Senzu Slime!
Hey! Wow! My blade's as slippery as an eel! Man, I can't keep a hold of it. It's too slimy.
Your weapons are worthless, like you!
Forget your sword, Antonio. We gotta take it to this slime ball. Whoa, he's slippery too. Not good.
Sucker punch!
Hey, you slimy punk!
Another slip up!
Mind if I cut in?
Yeah?
All right, Moogers, go finish those pests off. While they're doing that, Aunt Berry, you should start chopping up those toys.
But my axe is too dull to do it. All that slime messed up its sharp edge. See?
Resharpen it and chop those toys.
I'm on it, boss.
There's something off with your music today. What's wrong with you? What are you hiding?
I'm not hiding anything.
Thank you.
No need to thank me. It's the least I could do after you saved me from the Samurai Rangers.
I see.
Why do you insist on dueling the Red Ranger?
I'm compelled to find the ultimate duel. It's all that matters. I can't remember a time when it wasn't.
So you remember nothing from the past?
No, nothing. My sword, Uramasa, is calling to me. It longs for action. And I must make sure that ultimate duel finally happens.
I see. Is anything else in this world important to you?
I am cursed to satisfy this urge, so no. There is nothing but this.
Well?
Nothing. It was nothing. Quiet!
Then start strumming!
Where's Kevin?
He's usually back from his morning jog by now.
Usually? Always. You can set your watch to the guy.
Got a bad feeling about this.
Still no signal. We have to hurry back and stop him. You can't fight with that arm injury. I'll go.
You can't go alone.
Don't worry about me. Just hide here until the coast is clear and then run and get the others.
Kevin, wait!
How much longer are you going to sharpen that axe of yours? You're as slow as sludge.
Huh?
Hurry up, or you'll be going down that well instead of those toys.
Back off, Moogers!
Antonio, I told you to hide.
You would have never have asked any of the others to hide.
Maybe you don't think of me as a samurai? Don't treat me like a coward. Being a samurai is more than just following ancient traditions. It's about being a warrior, a protector of all things good. Antonio, if people need to be saved, doesn't a samurai try to help, no matter what? A samurai doesn't run and hide. You're right. That is the true spirit of a samurai. You can fight. Bring it on. I know the two of us can take him down.
Well, we don't have much choice until JD and the others get here.
You make contact?
No. But when they see that I don't show up for practice, they'll know something's wrong.
Thanks for helping me. Let's go.
You really think they'll come just because you're late for practice?
I live a very disciplined life. Every moment is counted for.
Well, you're definitely doing something right.
We all work together as one, Antonio. Like a well-oiled machine. Right now, our job is to fight evil. With every breath in our body.
Kevin would never be this late from his morning run. He's always here by 8 a.m. sharp for practice. He would have at least called. Okay, enough waiting. It's time to take action.
Here.
Take a deep breath, because the battle's about to begin. Here. Tie the spin sword to your wrist. That way the Nylock slime won't affect your grip.
Great thinking.
Go, Samurai! Samurai Morpher! Gold Power!
Let's get to it!
Hey, it worked! Sure did. Let's go.
That ought to do it! Finally, it's done!
Start with the coolest toy. Give it to him.
Ooh, a bike!
Get going. Time's a-wasting.
Watch me turn this bike into a chopped-up chopper!
Not so fast, Nylock!
Ooh, not the axe! They ruined everything!
Great job, Antonio! Come on!
There they are! You two just destroyed my favorite toy!
Now it's time to destroy you!
Bring it on, slime ball!
Sanzu slime!
It's still working!
Even if you can hold your weapons, you can't slip away from me! Knocked you flat! I don't need slime to beat you!
Blazing strike! Whoa! Huh?
Back off, Nylock.
Wow, you showed up!
Red Ranger!
Kevin! Antonio! You guys okay?
We're Fantastico now. Sure glad to see you guys.
We know Kevin's routine, and he knew we'd come looking.
Come on, guys. Time to take these guys out for good.
Later, Rangers! Time to sneak through a gap!
Huh?
The Red Ranger's gonna fry your booty!
He's worthless and weak, but I'm not scared of you! Shall we do this?
Jaden, watch out for his slime.
Don't worry.
Sanzu!
Here it comes!
Blazing strike!
Slime!
Now, charge!
Go ahead, guys. Put him on spin cycle.
Spin sword! Barracuda blade! Dragon splash! Barracuda bite! Yeah, squash that ant! Yeah!
It's big slime time!
Mega Mode power! Octazord!
Antonio, join us! With pleasure! Samurai artillery! Optispear Megazord, armed for battle!
Get a grip, Notch!
Can't grab him!
Slippery, huh?
He's going to slime us again!
Santu Slime! Your combination is kaput!
Hey, hands off my Octazord! Octo in Cloud!
Hey, cut that out!
Let's try this again. Samurai artillery! All together, now! Ice breath!
This isn't cool! It's freezing!
Electric sphere! Samurai strike!
We did it!
Yeah! Whoa, did you see it?
Samurai Rangers, victory is ours.
Stealing toys from kids? Now that's even low for a Nylock.
But we get to make things right. That's the great thing about being a samurai. Right, Antonio?
It's best that we return these anonymously. We don't want to draw attention to ourselves.
It'll be fun to play Santa. Ho, ho, ho.